Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to make mushroom pie in Heartopia. First things first, you need to unlock the cooking hobby. This happens at DG member level 6. Once you hit that level, you want to head to the town center and talk to Massimo. From here, you'll need to buy the mushroom pie recipe from Massimo. You may need to level up your cooking proficiency a bit before it appears, so keep cooking simpler dishes until it unlocks. Or, you can even check the stove and see if you have already unlocked it. Now to make mushroom pie, you need to wheat and 4 mushrooms. Wheat is easy. Just grow it through gardening. Plant your seeds in planters or fields and harvest them daily to build up a good supply. For mushrooms though, you want to head to the forested areas like the spirit oak or pine forest. So somewhere around here. Mushrooms spawn under trees and dirt mounds, and you can usually gather 4 to 6 per day by interacting with them. And once you have the ingredients, you're going to go back to your kitchen stove, cook the mushroom pie, and wait about 1 minute. When it's done, you can sell each pie for around 300 to 500 gold, depending on the star quality. The best strategy is to loop this process, grow wheat, gather mushrooms, cook pies, and sell them for fast gold. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!